The government will decide how your assets are being distributed out to your family when you pass away if you don't have the proper documentation set up. And so it's going to be per the intestate laws. And so some of the documents that you can set up to avoid this is going to be joint tenants' rights of survivorship for real estate you're trying to pass down to your spouse to avoid the probate process. Transfer on death deeds for property you're trying to pass down to your kids to avoid the probate process. You could have a will which outlines how your assets should be distributed, but all of those assets will have to go through the probate process. You can put all of your assets inside of a revocable trust in one place. They will all avoid the probate process and you can control the distributions on the back end. For your financial accounts like checking, savings, retirement, investment, insurance policies, you can set designated beneficiaries on those accounts. When you pass away, the money goes directly down to those people you've listed and they avoid the probate process. You have a lot of different options. And just as a heads up, you might think that estate planning is expensive, but the probate process is much more expensive. Probate's going to cost $5,000 to $15,000 depending on the complexity of your estate, where you live, and the experience of the attorney. Estate planning is going to cost $500 to say $6,000 depending on the complexity of your estate. So it's better to set up ahead of time. The money's going to come out of your estate anyways, because your kids are just going to use your money to pay off the probate process. So have at it. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to some on our team.